It's 9:28 and Harrison's not awake yet.
What have you done? What have you done?
No, nothing.
What is this?
Nothing.
What is that?
It's nothing.
What is that?
Right, it's nothing.
An apple?
It's nothing.
What is that? What is that?
Bye, Mum.
Bye.
Bro. We're home alone.
Let's get the strippers round.
I make tea. Yeah.
He doesn't even drink the tea.
That's what I was gonna explain.
He just dips biscuits in it.
So, tea is made. Open the biscuits.
Mm.
Oh, F.
No, don't do that.
Snap it in half.
Okay.
Dusty ass biscuit just went everywhere.
Right.
Get the rich tea.
Yeah.
Dunk it in the tea.
You didn't dunk it.
Oh, good.
You didn't even dunk it in the tea, bro.
Yeah, I'm joking. I don't like tea.
Oh my god.
It's
so what
just
do you
there
even make the tea
the
for?
Aesthetic.
So you made me film all this and you don't even...
Harrison, you can't have biscuits. That's so dead. You've got to say, I'm English. I have to say tea and biscuits, even though I don't even touch the tea. I'm British. That's what we do here in England. Guys, this is not the merch, by the way. My friend made it for me.
Yeah.
Mate, try that. Try that.
I'm alright. I'm really alright.
Why?
I'm just good.
Why? Harrison, try it.
I'm fine.
20 quid.
No.
Thanks for being a good brother. Right, pour it right up to the top.
No, stop.
I can I have some.
Leave me alone.
You're a biscuit. High five. If you'll get me an iPhone X. No. Guys, shout out to anyone that remembers this jacket. It's been a while, but it is back on. We're taking Phoenix out for a walk. Guys, this is the UK for you.
Like, it looks pretty aesthetically pleasing, no? No?
Looks alright. And look at this bench. Harrison made this when he was younger.
No, I did not.
Oh, he's found a friend. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. Harrison, I've got a challenge for you. You can win a whopping £500. You want to play the game?
Come on.
It's not even that hard. You should not be getting £500 for it. But, you know, it's good for the title. Being boozled. Yeah, fair enough. Not that bad.
Yeah.
However, what you've got to do
Right.
is eat all of them at the same time and swallow every single one. If you manage to chew and swallow the whole packet at once, you win the £500. Give that a smell.
Oh, mate.
Bro,
Yeah.
I just realised I don't have the money in cash.
You didn't say it was immediate though.
Yeah, I never said it was immediate. You have spoiled milk. Dead.
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to know.
You don't want to know. Dead fish and bogies.
I already feel faint already just thinking about how.
Oh my god, all of them. Chew, chew. Oh, you're so...
on the thing.
Go put them in.
There's so many in there.
Put them in. Put them in, quick.
Oh, that 3 fell down. There might be one still in there.
What? Harrison, that was disgustingly terrible. What a waste of my time and waste of... Saw your kid out. Look at that. That's fresh London for you. That is fresh. Look. This is not a green screen. Guys.
You're not going to see my hair. No, you should see the hair under this. People just lie to you. Like, what do you think of my hair? It's good?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
And you'll look terrible and they'll be like, hey, you look great.
What's 9 plus 10? 21. What's 9 plus 10?
Oh no.
What is that trim?